What's up everybody? Chef Fritz is back on another cheap, affordable meal prep, and in today's video, our meal prep has a pescatarian twist. With that said, let's get into the video. So I'll tell you up front, today's meal cost us about $30, and we're only gonna be able to make 6 of them because we're working with packs of cod. No, not that cod. The cod that comes from Costco. They come in these nice little packs just like this. That way, if you're meal prepping and you're on a bit of a stricter diet, you can make sure that you're getting the same amount of protein in each single pack. And the pack at Costco costs about $18 and comes with 6 of these. Now, it used to be about $12, but for some reason, maybe inflation, the price went up. And the rest of the ingredients are laid out here in front of you. Going to be our yams that we're going to mash up, and then we have our carrots as well as baby bok choy that we're going to steam and mix together. As you can see, we have the pot of water getting ready to heat up our potatoes, but first, don't forget to let me know what Star Wars shirt you think that I have underneath my apron. Light side or dark side? And as you're typing in your answers, we're gonna go over to the sink and wash our vegetables. Now let's take these and go over to our boiling pot and just drop them in. Bring that down to a simmer. And then when it comes to cooking fish, we don't need to use too high of a heat. So for convection baking, 325 will definitely do the trick. And as that's heating up, we're going to prepare the rest of our vegetables. And as we're waiting for the oven to still preheat, let's go ahead and cut up our carrots. Now because these packets have quite a bit of juice, what we're going to do is cut out a corner and let the juice drain out. Do that for all of them. Then once all the juice is gone, cut open the top. That way we can put it onto our baking tray. Now for my cod, I like to keep things very simple. So for seasoning, it's just gonna be a little bit of salt, followed up by some pepper, and to give it that extra kick, some cayenne pepper. And to top it off, squeeze in some lemon juice. Use some tin foil. That way we don't lose too much moisture since we're baking it. Then throw it into the oven. Now 20 minutes is gonna be perfect to cook all of the fish and give us just enough time to finish our mashed sweet potatoes. Let's go. Now that the potatoes are done, we gotta drain the water. Now wouldn't be good mashed sweet potatoes or sweet yams without some milk, about a tablespoon of butter, and the secret ingredient, cinnamon. Now, if that's not sweet enough for you, you can always add just a little bit of brown sugar on top. Now, using our mashing tool, if you're really experienced, you can get this done in about 3 mashes. I'm not that good, so for me, it's about 5. So let's go for 1, 2, 3, 4, and here's the big one, 5. With our mashed sweet potatoes done and our fish finishing up, now we can throw in our vegetables to get steamed. And this is the point where we get into the easy portion of the meal where we introduce Chef Mike, the microwave. Yes, this is gonna sound crazy, but this is how we're gonna steam our vegetables. Because if you do it the traditional way, you may lose some of the water-soluble vitamins that are in the vegetables. This way, we just use a wet paper towel, cover our vegetables with it, and then put it in the microwave for about a minute or 2. For the carrots, because it's a hard vegetable, we're gonna go for 2 minutes. Ooh, Chef Mike, you worked your magic. Whew. We'll try it out in just a second, but it looks pretty good. Same thing for our greens. But this is a softer vegetable, so only about a minute. Carrot taste test. A little firm. Could go in for a little bit longer. Taste test. Needs more time. All right, Chef Mike, we're counting on you. Now we're talking. Let's go round 2 for the carrots. Another 2 minutes. All right, Chef Mike, how are those carrots doing? Whew, they are hot. Still a little firm, but I like my carrots crunchy. So, Chef Mike is a little bit out of practice here. Makes me think of another Mike that I know that needs a couple of sets to get going.
It's your boy. What was that magic trick called? One and done? Swarming that.
Nah, whatever. Right on time, our fish is done as we finished all of our side dishes. Now let's see what we have here. Boom. And that's just one of these. $30 gets you 6 of these. So that's $5 a meal. Yes, I know it's more expensive than my other previous meal preps, but where can you go and get a fish meal for $5 with all the veggies loaded up? So that'll conclude our first pescatarian meal. And if you really can, find a fish meal for under $5 at a restaurant. Please leave it in the comment section below and help out the community. Let us know the name of the restaurant and where it's located. Help out the community. Help us find affordable meals no matter if it's in our kitchen or at a restaurant. But before we end the video, did you guess whether the Star Wars shirt is light side or dark side yet? If not, this is your last chance because here we go with the reveal. Dark side it is. This has got to be like one of my most favorite memes for a long time. But man, I love this shirt. So, if you guessed it right, congratulations. If not, don't worry. The next time that we have affordable meals, we're going to do another Star Wars shirt. And who knows, maybe we'll even do a giveaway. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Leave any questions for me down below. And I'm going to leave the recipe in the description as well. See you in the next one.